Just last week, homeowners called Action 10 News for help, claiming a business nearby was making loud noises, not just during the day, but also overnight. Loud noises as well, right? Well, after our story aired last week, crews from code enforcement paid a visit to TT Electronics. And as our Myra Cordova found out today, guess what? The business is in compliance with the city's noise ordinance.
It was the air compressor running.
Officer David Mihalko says Corpus Christi's noise ordinance depends on various factors, time and location.
During the day, the decibel reading is always 70, and that's between 8 a.m. and 11 p.m.
After 11 p.m., the allowed level in a residential neighborhood is 60 decibels.
We take the reading on the person's property.
That's where it gets technical.
Since TT Electronics is zoned non-residential, those noise levels can go as high as 75 decibels.
After using a decibel meter,
okay, you can see it fluctuates between 70 and 74.
TT Electronics is in compliance. Homeowner Robert Chapa,
we're in a neighborhood,
says he's not buying it.
You know, they shut off the main part that was really loud.
Chapa lives right behind the business. This was the noise last week. This morning, much quieter.
There is a difference, but I know that there's just because the machines are off. You know, as soon as those machines come back on, the noise comes back.
Let's drive back there.
Let's go see
and see what it is.
Officer Mihalko says the noise is from an outside air compressor the company is using while they replace their old one.
It's really a nuisance for everybody.
Chapa says the noise has always been a problem, but hopes something gets resolved. Myra Cordova, Action 10 News.
Now, Myra tells us that TT Electronics declined to speak with her, but CCPD told her that the company should have a new air compressor within a week.